making our yarn cross now. We have our wood popsicle sticks that we are going to use our glue gun to glue together, and just pick a spot where you think the top, the cross should go, and just put your glue there and press down. And we're going to trim the edges of our popsicle stick. We're going to make this stick a little shorter. So go ahead and just kind of eyeball it and use your scissors and cut right through the popsicle stick. Again, don't use your fabric scissors because you'll be sorry, and be careful that nothing flies at anybody. And flip it around and cut this side. And small kids are probably going to need help cutting the sticks, but you can go ahead and help them ahead of time, have it all ready for them. All right, so now we have our cross, and we're going to just start out with some yarn and a very little bit of glue right in the center. So go ahead and put just a dot of glue in the center like that. And then you're going to take your yarn and press it down like that.